Welcome to the IPSpecialist Exam Cram Series for the AZ900 for Microsoft Azure Fundamentals exam. In this short course, I will equip you with the fundamental information required to pass the AZ900 exam in first attempt. I have covered each topic in the exam blueprint to help you remember the most important technology concepts. Let us discuss a bit about AZ900's requirements, topics covered, and what to expect in the actual exam. AZ900 exam is intended for candidates who are just beginning to work with cloud-based solutions and services or are new to Azure. There are no specific prerequisites for this exam. It is a starting point in your career to become a cloud professional. The AZ900 certified professional is expected to have knowledge of cloud concepts, Azure services, Azure workloads, Azure security and privacy, Azure pricing and support, basic concepts of networking, storage, compute, and application development. During the test, numerous types of questions are asked, such as case studies, short answers, multiple choice, mark review, drag and drop, and so on. AZ900 exam consists of 40 to 60 questions. The passing mark for the examination is 700 points or approximately 70%, and you have no penalty for any incorrect answer. The cost of the exam is $99. Since the market is booming in cloud technology and most companies are migrating their business to the cloud, there is great demand for cloud engineers and their related roles. With AZ900 certification and relevant experience, you can get a job of around $100K per annum in the United States. In this course, we will cover the topics: cloud concepts, Azure Compute, Azure Networking, Azure Storage, Azure Database, Azure Security, privacy and compliance, pricing and support. With this, we have reached the end of this video. Stay tuned for more from IPSpecialist.